Hello there, welcome back. An unboxing. The second half of the Black Isle Brewery. Got a phone call on Friday because the mixed case hadn't showed. So I'd got in touch with them on Thursday. So they says we'll send another one out. So if the original turns up, just keep it. I think that's been sticky fingers, somebody said. It tells you what it is in the box. So, this is the mixed case. So it's 12 beers, 6 unique, 2 of each. So, here it goes. Black Isle Brewing, Goldfinch. That sounds like a pale ale, doesn't it? Let me see, it's a session IPA and the ABV is, it tells you on the front, organic gluten-free session IPA, ABV 3.5%. So that's just a lovely wee beer for sitting back and chilling. 2 of them. Next, a Red Kite Organic Amber. Oh yeah. What's the ABV on this? Let's have a wee look. 4.2%. So there's none of them high ABV. They're just right for session beers. 2 of them. I'm so looking forward to these. Next one is their porter. Organic unfiltered. And this is 4.6%. Appearance ruby black, pale tan head. Flavour licorice chocolate. Aroma espresso. Mineral dark roasted malt. Mineral, I wonder what they mean by that. I've never seen that as a description for a smell before. I'll look into that. Spider Monkey, great name. Organic, unfiltered IPA, 5.2%. Didn't expect it to be so high. Spider Monkey. 21 pale. I've already got this because I ordered quite a few separately, individual cans. I didn't realise this was part of the core. So it means I've got 4 of these now. I'm not complaining. Finally, their blonde organic lager. That's 4.5%. I'm really looking forward to these, getting stuck in a bit. So that's a nice wee haul. So that was, what did I have the first time? 8 beers? It was 8, so that's 14 minus that. 13 unlucky for some unique beers. Oh yeah. That'll keep me going for 2 weeks. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.